Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am going to show you guys how I quickly get ready the minimalist amount of makeup. So I'm gonna start by my eyebrows. And this is the E.L.F brow pencil in Taupe, I believe. Yes, Taupe. So like that. Filling in my tail here. Then I'm just gonna apply my moisturizer really quickly under my eyes because my eyes are very dry. So I'm gonna just apply that there, on this area, my eyelids, and then for all over my face I'm gonna just use my moisturizer. For my eyes I'm gonna use this Essence Eye Base Primer. To set that, I'm going to be using my Colourpop Yes Please palette, and I'm gonna use the first shade in there. Just set it. And then on my crease, I'm gonna just take this little Urban Studios brush on my crease, and I'm going to take the second shade in this palette. Dust it off. This palette is very powdery, but the color payoff is so beautiful. The only thing I don't like is that the palette is white, so it gets dirty really quickly. And then I'm gonna just take the first brush we used on our eyes. I'm just blend this. And on our lids, I might take this yellow. Just press that in. This yellow isn't as pigmented, if you guys could tell, but it is buildable. And then I'm gonna take that crease brush and just blend this in there with no additional product. And that's all I'm gonna do for the eyes for right now. Color, and for foundation, I am going to be mixing the Matte and Poreless by Maybelline in 228 with the Lottie London Selfie Ready in the color Golden. So I'm gonna just do that real quick. And the minimal amount, I don't want a heavy brush, and I'll be using this EcoTools, I guess, stippling brush, buffing brush, I don't know. Just pour some onto here, just the smallest amount. Just start dabbing it everywhere. Like it's a little too orange for me, so I'm gonna just take some behind my hand, just a little bit. I feel like my face looks heavy, so I'm gonna just apply this Mario Badescu spray, the aloe, cucumber, and green tea one, to sheer out the foundation. Just press that into the skin. To correct my under eyes, I'm using the LA Girl orange concealer under my eyes, just a bit today. And to brighten that up a little bit, I'm going to use my NYX yellow corrector. just in this area to mix in with the orange. Okay, and to conceal under my eyes, I'm using the NYX HD concealer in beige. Blend that in. I'm gonna use a small sponge that's not wet, it's fine. I just take my foundation brush and really blend this out into my foundation. And then for cream contouring, I'm using this Wet n Wild contour stick in Where's Walnut, and this brush I found on Wish, the app. So I'm gonna just take it with my brush and just dab it on my cheek, downward motion. For highlight, I'm using this Mega Glow from Wet n Wild in the color Gilded Glow, I believe. So this is how it looks. Freaking huge. Just blend that out with my ring finger. Then I just take my foundation brush and really staple that into my skin. Okay, once we're done with that, I'm gonna lightly set my under eyes with this. Using a Real Techniques setting brush. That's how it looks. Just grab whatever's on the cap here. When I notice my foundation is looking a little bit too dark, I just apply powder and it lightens it up a little bit. To set my bronzer, I'm gonna use this palette from Profusion, and I'm gonna go in with the same brush I contoured with, wipe it off a little bit, and I'm gonna go in with the middle shade or bronze. Not really contour, just bronze my skin up. With the middle shade, with the first shade here, I'm gonna contour a little bit. To set my highlight, I'm going in with this Essence Pure Nude highlight, and the color Be My Highlight with a Morphe R36. So just dust off the excess. I'm gonna just finish under my eyes. I'm gonna just take this blending brush, or the same one we used on our crease, with that same color here. Apply some mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational. Just apply this. And to set my face, I'm just going to use the NYX Matte Finish setting spray. Just take my brush. I'm gonna just add another coat of mascara. Okay guys, so the last thing we have is lipstick. And I have this one from Colourpop in Lumiere. So I'm gonna just apply this. So this is the final look. If I look a little bit different or the lighting is different, it's because I took a pause from the last clip to right now. So that's why the lighting and maybe even my makeup looks a little bit different. I had a lot of things to do. But then again, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget to like this video and stay tuned for all my future videos. Thank you. Bye.